The Eastern Shore was one of the few regions that had positive numbers for buyer activity this past week. It's Friday, June 12th, 2026. I'm Kimberly Barton, broker-owner of Kinetic Realty, your go-to real estate resource. This is the weekly Maryland Eastern Shore Report. Active inventory rose 1.6% to 2,403 active units. The median list price is holding firm again this week at $419,900. There are 126 units labeled as coming soon, poised to hit the market at a median $467,000. New contracts fell 13.8% from last week to 174 units, while the list price at the time of contract was up to $386,500. 145 properties sold in 26 days at 97.3% list to sold for a sold price of $406,000. There are 138 rental properties again this week. Rent has dropped down to a median of $2,075 per month. Let's talk. If you need some guidance, I'm here for you. And that's your weekly wrap for this week's Maryland Eastern Shore Report for Friday, June 12th, 2026. Thanks so much for tuning in. Enjoy your weekend. I'll see you next week. Take care.